Hello, I'm Martin Romju, editor of Limousine, Charter, and Tour magazine, and I'm coming to you from a wheat field out in the middle of Kansas. Now, don't think I'm here to talk to you about crackers. We're going to talk about buses today. I'm visiting the Eldorado National Plant in Salina, Kansas, which is the new home to the Crystal bus line. The company that owns Eldorado, Allied Specialty Vehicles, also owns Federal Coach. And now Allied Specialty Vehicles is repositioning them for a new era of growth and innovation. So let's step across the street and visit with the executives that are repositioning these brands and preparing them for a new era. And let's find out what that means for you, the limo operator. Jeff Montgomery, president of Crystal Bus Division, thank you for joining us.
It's a pleasure.
Since Allied Specialty Vehicles acquired Thor Industries in October of 2013, what have been some of the improvements and the modifications to the brand that the new company has made?
I think when we look at the brand, first of all, Martin, we need to look at the facility and what Allied Specialty has done for the facility itself. They have brought lean manufacturing, operational excellence into the facility. We now have a dedicated production line, whereas the product used to be stall built. And now we have a dedicated production line, dedicated production staff that focus exclusively on the Crystal product and the Crystal buses that run here at Eldorado National.
Now, the Crystal and Federal bus lines have a long history in the industry. In what ways do they complement each other, and are there any distinctions that you would like to see in the minds of limo operators who are shopping for a bus?
There are certainly several distinctions, and they complement one another. They are available on a wide variety of chassis platforms, from the Freightliner to the International, and basically all of the Ford F-Series chassis and the E-Series chassis. So there is not a lot of overlap between the products that gives the operators different choices. It also brings the operators choices as far as body design, aesthetics, and construction of the bus as well, from the exterior skin all the way to the interior of the bus and how it's finished.
Now, when you look at an LCT show floor, we have more buses than ever from different bus makers. What do you want people to understand about how Crystal stands out in that sea of buses that we have on the show floor?
That's a great question. Combined between the two facilities, we have over 65 years of experience. We have put compliance and safety at the top for all of our products. We've done extensive testing on both the Crystal and the Federal lines. We offer more options than any of the manufacturers are offering today. And we also have a greater engineering capabilities to better engineer and develop new options as we move forward with the Crystal product line.
Are there any particular engineering innovations to look forward to in coming years?
In coming years, we'll discuss some of the changes as they're more available and we're closer to implementing and launching those changes. Today, we've made some huge leaps and bounds with weight reduction on the Crystal, with the electrical system, the integrity of the electrical system. We've moved from a pneumatic door to an electric door, so there are fewer problems for the operators, the end users, the technicians. So we have a lot of engineering changes that have already been implemented on the Crystal, and we certainly have more to come.
All right, thank you. John Resnick, president of Federal Coach, thank you for joining us.
It's a pleasure.
From the standpoint of the limo operator, what are some of the engineering and mechanical features about the Federal Coach bus line that you'd like for them to understand?
What we'd like the operators to understand is that our beauty is more than skin deep. In addition to terrific curb appeal, superior fit and finish, it's what's inside that really matters. We have superior structure. We have a terrific electrical system, including a self-diagnostic electrical panel. We have as-built parts manuals with every bus. We don't believe that this industry has seen these types of things in the past.
What are some of the niche markets and the client bases within chauffeur transportation that the Federal Coach line is best suited for?
We feel we can benefit all of the niches, and we've expanded our product line to make sure that that can happen.
Now, when we move to the inside of a Federal Coach bus, what are some of the amenities and the features that would impress and engage the chauffeured client?
That's a great question, because the customers don't always see what's going on behind the scenes. The customer experience is all about superior attention to detail. They notice the little things, and if you miss them, their eye goes straight toward it. In addition to that, they notice a quiet, comfortable ride, superior heating and cooling so that they're always comfortable. Those are the types of things that make a warm, welcoming customer experience. At the end of the day, we'll know we've hit the mark when customers just enjoy the riding experience on a Federal Coach. that they would like to be there even if they're not going anywhere. It's that cool.